Hello, my name is Ashok and today I'm gonna record a video about crypto wallet address, how to create, secure and restore the cryptocurrency wallet addresses for any cryptocurrency you deal with. Okay, so this is lesson for the beginner who might not know about the wallet address, how to access it and how it's very secure for securing your money. Okay, so to clear your doubts and adopt the cryptocurrency as our payment ecosystem, let's begin. So we have cryptocurrency wallet. We have a different kind of wallets like software wallets, hardware wallets, and paper wallets, from where we can create the wallet addresses. And wallet address is a public key along with the private key. Okay, so public key it's something like your account number and private key is something like your password. So your account number you can share with anyone to send you the fund money, and private key is something to access those funds. When you wanna send money to someone, then you can use that private key to access those funds. Okay, so there are different kind of wallet like software wallet, it's a software, so it's a program. Hardware wallet, it's a hardware like a pen drive. And a paper wallet, it's a simple paper, that means paper printed with QR code of public key, private key, and written public key and private key for particular wallet. So we will discuss detail about wallet types. So before we move there, we should discuss about hot versus cold wallet. Okay, so hot versus cold wallet, that means hot wallet, it's like wallet connected to internet like software wallets, like mobile app, websites, or desktop wallet, which are continuously syncing with a blockchain node, and they are connected with the internet. They are not secure, but it's secure. Sometimes it's happened it being hacked, but people used to use that. Cold wallet is something, the wallet is not connected to the internet, right? So software wallet, where you can consider the web wallet, desktop wallet, and mobile applications like a desktop Exodus, Electron, mobile application like Trust Wallet, Coinbase, right? Hardware wallet is like a flash. This is something when you search on Google, you will find the hardware wallet like this. You can buy it online and you can access it with your secret. Paper wallet is piece of paper hold the private key and public key. It's look like similar like this. It's your address and something like that. So today we're gonna create the wallet address on my Ether wallet, and then we access the same Ether wallet from a different platform. We will use the MetaMask to access the wallet. So we create wallet on one platform and then access it from the different platform, right? So where you can get it, like you can use MyEther wallet, MetaMask is a Chrome, Google Chrome extension, blockchain.com, Coinbase or bitcoin.com. These are the software. Okay, let's create the wallet using MyEther wallet and access it from the MetaMask. So let's begin. So we have a MyEther wallet over here. So I will go to the home page at the moment, and we will start process from the beginning. I hope you understand. just for creating the wallet address and then access it from different. So for example, my Ether wallet will have a server at Amazon AWS, and MetaMask have a server at Microsoft Azure or DigitalOcean or any other company. But still, the Ethereum blockchain node will continuously syncing on different locations where the node is installed. Okay, and that's why data sync everywhere where blockchain node is installed, and that is the reason why it's called decentralized. For example, if the server at my Ether wallet will crash out, or something goes wrong with the server at my Ether wallet, burnt out or something, disaster might happen, then you can use different server, like different application, to access your wallet. You don't need to rely on my Ether wallet for accessing your funds. Okay, so let's create the wallet. So there are few ways you can create the wallet, like you can get the mobile app, it's very secure. You can buy hardware, you can use software. So we will create the wallet address using software. So first thing, you can use the keystore file. It's a simple JSON file, contains the private key to access your wallet, and you can use the mnemonic phrases where you will ask to store 12 or 13 or 24 specific words which identify or authenticate to access your wallet on particular platform or different platform. So we can start with the keystore file. We can select the password. Okay. So before you download keystore file, don't lose it, otherwise you're gonna lose your phone. Don't share it, otherwise someone might take your money. And take a backup at secure place. Yes, I acknowledge, and I don't. So now we create the wallet address, and now we can access. First we will access from here, and then we will access from different software to make sure that the concept decentralized makes sense. Okay, so this is our wallet address ending with 11699. You can see here, you can see the QR code, like you can copy, you can change network, like BSC, EP, Ethereum classes, metric, test network, and you can do whatever you want, right? So you can send transaction, deploy contract, you can access your funds, you can share this wallet address with anyone to send you the Ethereum or any Ethereum-based token. This is Ethereum live network. Right? So now what we will do, we will use different software. I have already installed MetaMask over here in Google Access. You can use private key or you can use JSON file. So we will use JSON file over here. Open. They are different software. They are not related, but still you can. Okay. So you can see 1699 account is imported from MyEther wallet to MetaMask. Okay, so we can conclude that the wallet addresses you create on one platform can be accessible from anywhere else, right? So this is why it's called decentralized. It's not a centrally rely on centralized data where it can be hacked or it can be disaster can be happen. Okay, that's the reason why decentralized and blockchain is very popular and powerful. Okay, for the data security. Thank you for watching video. Keep watching. I will record more video about how to deploy smart contract and how to list your token in decentralized exchanges like PancakeSwap, Uniswap, and SushiSwap, and then how to set up the prices range and how it should be go up and down and all the things about decentralized exchanges. So please keep watching and follow, subscribe our channel, and have a good one. Thank you.